Tesla Supercharger station goes live at IKEA in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. A new Tesla Supercharger station has recently become operational at the IKEA located in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. This station features 12 charging stalls, each with the capability of supplying up to 250 kilowatts of power on a constant basis. Conshohocken IKEA lies at 400 Allen Wood Street, and the opening of the supercharger station there might be particularly exciting for owners of electric cars. Furthermore, the investment of more than $2.2 billion by IKEA in an omni-channel strategy for the United States over the coming 3 years could benefit from the presence of the charging station, offering customers another incentive to visit the store known for its low-cost furnishings and its renowned Swedish meatballs. Tesla's supercharger network has seen growth recently, especially in the first quarter of 2023, increasing 33% on the year. The additional infrastructure, combined with the rising acceptance of electric vehicles, has allowed other manufacturers to make use of Tesla's technology, as seen by Ford's capacity in using Tesla's North American charging standard port for its own future electric models, balancing the advantages of electric cars for their users with those of the stores that provide the recharging infrastructure. This type of expansion of the Tesla Supercharger network could be beneficial in the long term. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Marano at teslaupdate.